Good morning once again, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the oblique sketches and isometric sketches, and we have taken some examples also. But let's see some remaining ones. Like the fourth part, you can see in front of you. We will try to make this one in isometric sheet. Okay. So first, tell me. Let me erase first these things so that it will be easy for us to make. Today, luckily, the eraser is working in your class. Never works. Let's see the blue pen. Okay, so we need dot sheet. Yes, you need to have. Okay, you can keep all these things handy during the exam. Class, please tell me what is the length of this figure. It is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as per this it is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can say the length of this bottom portion is 6 only. So we will cover how many dots? It is like 6 plus. We will cover how many dots on the bottom? Please tell. If this the length is 6, during the exams we will need only dot sheet and answer short only or graph also. Oh, but I will confirm everything after that is finalized. Ekta, if you have to make 6 units, you have to take 7 dots. Ekta, if you want to make 6, you have to take 7 dimensions. I have told you. Let's see on this one. So let me start from here. It will be going this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see we have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So we have taken 7 dots. Okay, you thought I was asking the line. Fine, fine, good. Now tell me what is the height. Tell me what is the height. Again, instead of counting the number of boxes, better you go with the given dimensions. It is also 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 only. So again we can make the height in that way. If I reduce it like this, it will be fine. Oh, sorry, let me keep it there only. Okay, so just join again 6 things like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, please don't be confused. The only thing is, in my isometric sheet I have just expanded it little bit vertically. That's why it is going like this, vertically up, but it's fine. Now see, what are we having? 2. This is a 2 of the first step. So let's make this 2 of the first step. This one I'm going to make. So 1, 2. Now it is coming downwards 2. So let's make that also 1, 2. Yes, beta, it is expanded vertically, so that's why it is coming so long. Yes, beta. That's why I tried to make it compact, but that was disturbing the diagram. That's why I left that part. So we have got this much. After this, again we have 2. So let's make 1, 2. Then again we have 2. So let's make 1. Sorry, you have to use scale for this. 2. Then again we have 2 like this. So 1 and 2. And finally we are ending with the last 2. So class, we have got the front face. Are you getting this thing? We have got the front face. Class, now what should we make? Now what should we make? Please tell. Shall we make the last face or the edges, the side edges? What do you say? What should we make first? Yes, we should make first the edges, because that only will give the correct depth to the diagram. No, Bunny, not back face. Back face we make in that oblique sketch. Bunny, the back face we go for in oblique sketch, because that is only for idea, but this is for exact measurement we want. Okay, so let's go for this 4. Let's try to make this 4, and we have to take care that all the angles are same. By when the syllabus will be finalized? Kavish, please keep the syllabus as it is in website. Only the chapter construction will be left. I think by 16th or 17th maximum we will complete the course. Okay, don't worry. That chapter is very easy. Don't worry for that. So let's see 4. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Then on this point also we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then on this point we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, very short also. Very good. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then again we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. Okay. Let me erase this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope everything is fine with this diagram. Nothing is wrong. Okay, now just join the last phase. So it will be like this. Like this. Now I hope everything is fine. You can take a screenshot if you want, or I will upload this on YouTube. From there also you can see, no issue. If anyone has any problem, please go step by step. Okay, these are the only principle for these questions. You have to go step by step. It will be very easy if you try these questions like this. Now tell me, any issue in the exercise? Anyone having any issue in the exercise, please ask. Sir, how to draw in oblique? Okay, oblique. Okay, Tushita is saying issue. Tushita, in which question, beta? Please ask. I think this isometric part is clear to everyone because it is very much easy to make. You have to just count the number of dots. Okay, you are saying no issue. Okay. Now, question number 2 is also draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. Simple. You just have to, it is like a box only. So in this case, question number 2, you have a cuboid like this. They are saying to draw 3 different isometric sketches. That means first you can take this way, second you can draw this way, and third you can draw this way. So this way you can draw the 3 views of the same cuboid. Question number 3, 3 cubes each with 2 centimeter edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. So like this, they are saying you have 3 cubes. So oblique will come also to draw. It may come, it may not come. It all depends on the mood of examiner, that is me. So we can see whatever. So we have 3 cubes. Let us join them. This is the first cube we are having. Second cube we are having. And the third cube we are having. Just try to understand what it is saying. It is saying 3 cubes each with 2 centimeter edge. So 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm. This is also 2 cm. This is also 2 cm. It is a cube. Okay. And what they are saying, place side by side to form a cuboid. So class, we can see after joining 3 cubes, we have obtained a cuboid like this, like a bread. If you see, same like that. What is the length of this new cuboid? Please tell. What is the length of this new cuboid? Yes, Bani. What is the length of this new cuboid? It is 6 units or 6 centimeters. What is the breadth of new cuboid? What is the breadth? Breadth will remain. Will the breadth change or will remain same? It will remain the same only because it is not getting changed. It is 2 only. Nice. And what is the height? Height is also not changing. It is the same. So now we have obtained the length into breadth into height. You have to make this, I think, sketch, isometric sketch. And I hope that is very easy for you. You can easily make the isometric sketch of this cuboid without any issue. Please confirm. Please confirm. Sir, what is height? Question 1, part 4. Okay. Actually, the height I didn't find by counting the number of blocks. Kritika? Sorry, not Kritika. It was asked by Tushita. Tushita. Sir, but it is saying isometric, na? Okay, oblique or isometric. It depends on you. Okay. Now see, Tushita, in this question, to find the height, you could have gone for the number of boxes also, but we have seen in the first part only, the number of boxes was giving a wrong idea. Tushita, you can see in the first part, they said the length was 6. But if you count the number of boxes, that is not 6. Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is not giving you a correct picture. So better if dimension is given to you, take that dimension only. Sir, can you give annotate option in the last for 2 minutes? Daksh Katyal. Beta Daksh, if I give you annotate option for last 2 minutes, then the class will become, you know what will be happening then. Okay. No, sir. I am asking height is 6 or 4. Okay. The height is 6, Tushita, because you can see in this ladder, this portion is 2. This portion is again 2. And this portion is again 2. Now I hope your doubt is clear, Tushita. Okay. And this horizontal 6 is also found like this only. If you see, this was 2, this was 2, and this was 2. So I have to use the values given to me in the diagram and not I have to count the number of boxes. Okay. Sir, in two sides AEW532, how we know what is what? Okay. In which part you are saying? This one? How is this? Kritika. Okay. Kritika, sir, in two sides. Kritika, tell me the particular question that you are saying. Let me see which question you are asking. Question number 2. Okay. In question number 2. Okay. Kritika, depends on you. You can take whatever side you want as length, whatever side as breadth, whatever side as height. Actually, we try to make the length as the longer one. It is a convention. Okay. It depends on you. It depends on you, but nothing will change. Okay. It depends on you how you see the figure. That's it. Manya Gulati. One second. Now, any other doubts? For the oblique sketch, we require that grid sheet like this one. In the copy, but right now I'm not having here. Let me see if we can do something. You can try like this only. Let me see if there is any option of grid sheet. Where is it? Let me hide. Meeting controls, view, sub. Okay. So we need to have a graph paper for oblique case. One second, let me check. Print out meeting equations, draw. think this will work. Medium grid. Like this we need to have. Okay. Now let us take the question. Suppose the first one we have. Can we use graph? Yes, Kritika, you can use graph if you want. Where is it? Oh, sorry. Why it is not moving? Let me erase this. One second. Eraser be selected, beta. Stroke eraser. You have to arrange isometric sheet because isometric is given the correct idea, no? So we will go for isometric only. But still, if oblique comes, there is no issue. You have already the line sheets. You just make some straight lines, and that will be easy. Okay. Now let's see the isometric figure. Suppose this one you want to see. On this, you are having the bottom as one. Let me take this pen. One second. Okay. The bottom is one. What happened to this? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this way you can make the bottom like this. Suppose like this. This little bit longer, no? Let me make it short. Okay. So we have this thing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit longer in this thing. And this is 4. So like this 1, 3, 4. Like this you can make this height. Then again you have this. And then just join this. Sorry. You have to use scale for this. It will be easy with then. Now you have to see where to make this one. Now we will make the back face now. Okay. This thing we can make. Back face is not that required. You can just make like that only. Just saying 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. Like this you can take. This point you can take for that point. So for the top point you will take some point over here. Just you want to give some idea of the figure. So like this you can make the front face. Like this. And like this. Then the same thing you will draw here also. You just need to make sure it is like this. Okay. In this case, I think it would be better to draw like this. And then we have this thing. Okay. Then you have this, having this 2. It requires a scale and pencil to draw properly. So like this you can make. So your lines are going a little bit slanting. Yes. So you can see like this, you can make the oblique sketch. Yes. So I think this figure is not perfect because of the scale thing, but it should give a picture like that only. Screenshot done. Okay. So same way you can make for this also. Plus try to make the front face, then try to make the back face and join the remaining edges. In this thing, the dimensions are not that exact, but it is closer. Class. So with this, I think this will be clear. Question number 5, give one oblique sketch and one isometric sketch for each of the following. A cuboid, a cube. Very simple, you can do. Okay. So I hope this exercise will be done today. Everyone will complete this, and tomorrow we will start this next exercise, that is viewing different sections of a solid. Tomorrow we will see this different views of object, and the last one is shadow. Okay, fine. Okay, let me stop this recording.